Creative Stamping, a brand new magazine, just arrived. This is Creative Stamping issue 81. And as you can see, no line coloring is going to be featured. But let me show you the stamps that are included. And look at this. This is an A4 size, so it's giant. This is from Pink Fresh Studios. And just really lovely artwork, very open. You'll be able, this is perfect for coloring. And included, there are many greetings, happy birthday, birthday wishes, thank you, congratulations, thinking of you to a special someone, and just because. I think that's always nice to have included with the artwork. It just completes it. Then there's also some extra images, some tiny flowers, some sprigs, as well as leaves, so you can add those as you wish. Now let's get into the magazine, because I know they're going to have ideas for using that gorgeous stamp set. Now, I did want to tell you that often you'll see advertisements. That's reasonable. It's a magazine. You would expect that. But what I think is fun is that many times you can get this exact product here at Paper Wishes. So, Crafty Fun is a collection from our friends at Crafter's Companion. And yes, we have all of it. So, just wanted to point that out. And here we go. Now, this is an article on inchies. Now, inchies are either 1-inch square, sometimes they're 2-inch square pieces of paper that are stamped, put together, and used. So as you can see, you can stamp, you can put them all together, stamp, and then cut them apart into 1-inch squares. This has the stamp being used on the background. This gives you some information about inchies. And so it's just a really fun other way to do stamping and to use it. This is 4 of them, but you see it's 1 stamp that was put on. You'll see that really close in the magazine. Here's some more. So it's the stripes that are on the stamp set. You can take these stems and use them for stripes. There are leaves, do them in different colors. You could take the inchies and put them as a background. I think we're getting closer. Can we do that, Steve? Just so you can see that a little bit better. There we go. So you can see that there are some squares. They've been turned on point to look like diamonds. And there's the whole variety of them right there. Let me give you some more. Here is the no line coloring. And certainly the technique of doing that is to have a very, very light gray ink pad that you stamp first. Now, a technique or a tip that I read in here is you might want to stamp it on another paper in black, because sometimes when you're doing the no line coloring, you can kind of lose the outlines because they become so faint. So I thought that was an interesting tip. But aren't these just lovely? Absolutely beautiful. Now, you can do that technique or you cannot with these stamps, just whatever you choose. Here is more, and they've done a different background. So if you're interested in that, there's step-by-step photographs of how to do it. I particularly love the idea of doing the embossing in white. I think it's such a beautiful look. And you can see right here, just, I think it's very, very stunning. There it is in lighter colors, so that's a nice addition. And here we have even more. Isn't that pretty? Taking that same one and repeating it with white embossing powder. Here is another technique. Again, all of the information is at your fingertips in the magazine. Here is an advertisement about the John Next Door magazine and box kit, and we do have that. It's in stock right now. And here is another. So these are for Mother's Day using the stamps. So you could take a piece of paper, cut it into this oval, or use your cutting die, stamp it to become the vase, and then do your flowers. I thought this was pretty striking, of having that black in the background and having these very pastel looks glued on top. And one more I wanted to show you. Very, very light. I'm hoping you can see that, but just very lovely with that great big happy birthday. That's part of the stamp set. So all of these are just gorgeous and all together, and that's what's really wonderful. And they are in stock right now.